In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily add subtitles or closed captions already prepared to a video in Google Drive. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in Drive to manage caption tracks and how to generate automatic captions right from your browser. Start by opening Google Drive and making sure you're on the main Drive homepage. This is the easiest place to filter your files so you can quickly find the video you want to work with. Along the top of your file list, look for the Type filter. Click that to open the filter menu, then choose Videos. This narrows your view to only video files, which saves you from hunting through folders or other document types. Next, click the specific video you want to add captions to. You'll see the file details appear, or you can open them manually. To do that, open the File Information panel. This panel is where Drive keeps important settings and details for the selected file, including access to captions management. Inside the file details, find and click Manage Caption Tracks. This is the central place where you add, edit, or remove caption tracks for your video in Drive. If you already have subtitles prepared, this is the menu you'll use to handle them. In this walkthrough, we'll use the built-in option to create them automatically. Click Add New Caption Tracks. This opens the caption tools for your video. From here, select Generate Automatic Captions. Drive will begin processing your audio and create a caption track that's synchronized to your video. Processing time can vary based on your video's length and audio clarity. Keep the tab open or come back later if it's a longer file. A few helpful tips as you wait. Make sure your video has clear dialogue and minimal background noise for the best results. If the audio includes multiple speakers or accents, automatic captions can still work well, but accuracy may improve if speech is crisp and at a consistent volume. Also, ensure you have the correct permissions on the file so captions can be attached successfully. Once processing completes, the new caption track will be associated with your video in Drive. If you later want to review or manage it, return to the same Manage Caption Tracks area from the File Information panel. From there, you can keep everything organized and aligned with the language you need. That's it. You've filtered to videos, opened file information, managed caption tracks, added a new track, and generated automatic captions, all within Google Drive.